At SkinCeuticals, we believe the key to youthful-looking skin lies in the seamless synergy of professional treatments with at-home skincare. Our integrated skincare philosophy combines in-office treatments with advanced skincare to optimize and prolong results, ensuring you get the most out of your investment in skin health. Working alongside physicians in the field of aesthetics, SkinCeuticals has created formulations designed to complement popular aesthetic procedures. These targeted solutions offer potent, science-backed ingredients to address the needs of the skin before, during, and after treatment for complementary results. These high-potency formulas are physician-tested and designed to maximize treatment outcomes and enhance recovery, protecting both your investment and your results. When paired with neurotoxin injections, the advanced peptide serum PTOX enhances effectiveness by targeting 9 types of expression lines, including areas neurotoxins are not indicated for, like marionette lines and under-eye wrinkles. Dermal fillers can be complemented by the volumizing serum HA intensifier multiglycan, which enhances hydration and plumps the skin for defined contours. When used before and after dermal filler treatments, this serum helps visibly reduce lines and improve firmness, resulting in a youthful and radiant appearance. Laser treatments stimulate collagen and cellular renewal as part of the skin's natural healing process. SkinCeuticals products provide targeted support at every stage for optimal recovery. Phytocorrective instantly soothes and cools, while Advanced Region 6 minimizes downtime and supports recovery. CE Frulic, the gold standard antioxidant, has been physician tested with lasers. It brightens, firms, and protects across all skin tones. Chemical peels promote cell turnover for smoother, more even skin. To complement these results, Cell Cycle Catalyst enhances brightness, reduces fine lines, and diminishes discoloration, all while being gentle enough for use before and after a peel. Lastly, radiofrequency microneedling and ultrasound promote collagen remodeling, improving texture and firmness over time. AGE Interrupter Advanced and AGE Interrupter Ultra Serum help reverse the appearance of aging signs and hydrate deeply for a visibly smoother and lifted complexion. SkinCeuticals is at the forefront of medical aesthetics, continuously advancing formulations through scientific innovation and collaboration with industry leaders to seamlessly complement aesthetic procedures. Backed by decades of scientific research and clinical testing, SkinCeuticals is the #1 medical skincare brand worldwide and the gold standard in pre- and post-procedure skincare, trusted by physicians and patients alike.